scene. Sorry life judging every action, and there's this thing in your mind with the shit. You forget how to speak, how to ask all the questions. They had it their way, I'm burning hell, and your future's a fucking disaster. Can't you see? Power, your future's in desperate trouble. Now say the Lord.
Six Flags is known worldwide as the industry thrill leader, and Six Flags Magic Mountain leads the pack, always taking thrills to the next level. We've taken one of our most popular coasters, X, and transformed it into X2, delivering a whole new dimension of extreme experiences.
Combining newly designed state-of-the-art trains with the addition of fire, fog, and sound effects, X2 truly exemplifies the thrill experience. Trust me, when you ride X2, closing your eyes will not make the fear go away.
Six Flags Magic Mountain es conocido mundialmente como el líder en la industria de emociones y estamos orgullosos en presentar la transformación de X a X2, una novedosa y única en su especie montaña rusa diseñada para romper todas las reglas. X2 es el único juego mecánico de 5 dimensiones en el mundo con explosiones sensoriales de sonido, fuego y niebla. A diferencia de las montañas rusas tradicionales, la X2 va hasta los extremos en vehículos más lustrosos y más livianos que giran independientemente en 360 grados.